Today we're checking out a new product from our Detail Co line of products. It is a Bifrost APC, your new bridge between exterior and interior cleaning. This is made with some high quality surfactants, which makes it safe to go from exterior to interior and clean all parts of the vehicle and be safe on all surfaces. So high quality stuff and very, very concentrated, so you can get the most bang for your buck when you buy Bifrost APC. So why is it the bridge between our exterior chemical, which is BDE, all the way into the interior chemical, which is SWORD? Two more designated chemicals. Let's break it down for you. So starting off with BDE, Bugs Dirt Exterior, it's a citrus-based degreaser, has some delaminine in it. That way it can attack kind of old tire dressings, makes it easier to get them off the tire. Stuck on tar, glue, it starts breaking all that down on the exterior surfaces for you. And that's what makes it an exterior only product. Find that it's your favorite dilution. You can dilute this all the way up to 10-1. And even further, depending on the maintenance. If it's a weekly maintenance, you can definitely get this up 20-1, 30-1 to knock a few of the loose bugs off. But it is definitely an exterior only product. Going the other direction to SWORD. This is an interior only product. It has some cleaners. It has some conditioners. It's great for carpet, vinyls, leathers, plastics, all the above. SWORD can clean all things interior, and it leaves behind that anti-static, that UV protection. Gives you a nice supple conditioned effect. Even the Alcantara SWORD is the designated kind of cleaner protector, all in one type of product in the lineup. So we have the hard-hitting exterior product. We have the nice, gentle exfoliating and conditioning effect that SWORD leaves. And now we have the bridge to connect both, which is Bifrost. It's a pure cleaner, so no extra. So it's not going to attack kind of tar or old dressings as aggressively as BDE. There's no delaminine in it, nothing like that. Just pure high-quality surfactant power in the Bifrost product. But these surfactants are super gentle enough that at the right dilutions can enter the interior starting at a 20-1 dilution. And it's going to give you a pure interior cleaner. It's not going to leave behind any UV conditioners or nothing like that. It's a pure cleaner. So after interior clean with Bifrost, you are going to have to come back with your conditioner of choice, whether it's Detail Co Shield or any other of your favorite conditioning type products. So if you're a one product guy over a more particular designated product like BD or SWORD, finally have the answer for you with the Detail Co APC. It can be the one product to rule them all. Kind of like low key can be our one soap to rule them all. So we like filling in the gaps of our lineup, and this one was quite the project to get it done and make it effective on exterior. You definitely still want an all-purpose cleaner that's going to be nice, packs a nice punch on wheels and tires even. We'll show you that in a second. And all the way to your proper dilution, whether it's 20-1, 30-1, 50-1. If it's a little dirty vehicle, you can even bump it up to 15-1 on the label. Here we have medium duty cleaning, great for soiled interiors and spot stained removal. If you have them dirty vehicles, this can handle it as well, starting at 15-1. But it gives you a range and a variety of dilutions that you can try, find what you like, find what works, and that's what this is. It's the utility knife of cleaners for you. So let's break down the dilutions for you. Right on the label, we got heavy duty cleaning up first, 4-1. 5-1 up to 10-1 can handle the wheels and tires, the engine bays. Be a nice heavy duty pre-soak for you to really start breaking down what's on the surface. It's going to attack the bugs real nicely, loosen all that up. So with those dilutions, it's going to be its strongest. Dropping down to the medium dilutions, we got the 10-1, the 15-1 range here at medium duty. That is when you can start bringing it inside interiors, but more as a disaster interior, I would say, at those dilutions. You're not going to want to bring it any stronger than that on kind of a normal detail. That's for if you've got if a work truck, a real disaster on your hands. That's when you're going to want the medium duty interior strength. But medium duty also great for the ceramic coated cars that have little bugs stuck on them. Nice pre-soak there. Wheels and tires on a bi-weekly, monthly maintenance, you can drop down to the medium 1 dilution over the 5-1 dilution. And then finally, we got the interior cleaning suggested dilution, which is the 20-1 range. 20-1 is kind of the start of the interior cleaning dilutions, where it's safe for all surfaces in the interiors. Start at 20-1, but you can definitely go to 30-1, 40-1, 50-1, and even if it's a maintenance wipe down, you can really stretch it out to even 100-1 if you want it to. But we didn't want to overcomplicate the label too much, so 20-1 is the starting point of your interior cleaning dilutions. Like I said, this doesn't have the anti-static, the UV protection, the conditioners. This is just a pure clean, and you're going to have to come back with your favorite protectant, whatever that is. So there you go. That's kind of the quick overview of Bifrost. It's an all-purpose cleaner. I think the all-purpose cleaners got a bad rep a couple years ago on YouTube where we were kind of mixing up degreasers versus all-purpose cleaners. This is an all-purpose cleaner. It is not a degreaser in any way. It has some real good surfactants in it and high quality stuff, and it's going to give you enough bite with having those gentle capabilities in the product. Can't stress that enough. So of course, even though this is a super high quality chemical, it's still a chemical. So wear your proper PPE, glasses, gloves, long sleeves even. If it's on you, it's in you. Remember that, everybody. Let's get into the demo. I'm going to show you its wheel and tire dilution in the IK sprayer here, 5-to-1, and in our IK TR minis, 20-to-1 dilution. So I'll show you that, how safe it is and can be used on your interior surface. If you have problems diluting products, I suggest reaching for the DRC. We're going to implement something like this into the We Are Detailing app, but it's not ready yet. So DRC's got you covered when it comes to dilution ratios. This is the dilution ratio I figured out for the TR1. Put 500 milliliters of distilled water, and I only needed 24 mils of product to get that 20-to-1 dilution. So dilutions are very important. Make sure you got that product diluted properly before taking it inside your interiors. As you can see, when using Bifrost and a IK Foam Pro 12 alkaline at the 5-to-1 dilution, you're not going to win any foam shows, but it's going to dwell really, really nicely and get the job done. We're going to let dwell for about 60 seconds and give it the rinse. You can see after about 60 seconds there is some browning coming off the tire, and it's doing an effective job loosening up that dirt, debris, and road film. After rinsing, we're going to foam again. We're going to come in with a light agitation, show you the cleaning potential of Bifrost. Scrub down this tire, come in on our wheels with a nice soft bristled brush. We're going to give it a rinse again. We're going to blow dry, let you see the results, and you'll see it's a very clean tire and wheel. Moving on to the interior, we're going to spray, we're going to agitate, we're going to mop up that solution. As you can see, it's a low sudsing formula, and it leaves no residue or marks behind because of the safe formula. Now I'm going to show you what happens. See if we just let it dry completely on our surface at the 20-to-1 dilution. Say it's a hot sunny day and it flashes off. You can see it's pretty much all gone. We're going to wipe the rest of it off with a quick towel wipe, and look at that. No marks, no residue. Good stuff. Finally, I want to show you in a real world environment on a very dirty surface how our APC performs. Still at the 20-to-1 dilution. You can see my lawnmower here as sets outside, gets quite dirty. I actually did a little demo of this when we were testing it on my YouTube channel about 6 months ago. So as you can see, you just spray, you let it dwell a second, and you wipe off. It's going to have a beautiful flash, and you're going to be left with a really clean surface. We didn't get into the nooks and crannies, of course, just spray and wipe, and you're going to get these kind of results. So it has some serious cleaning power, even at that 20-to-1 dilution. Let's go ahead and get this other side cleaned up as well. Might as well clean my whole little motor here while we're at it. And a quick spray and a quick wipe. And look at that. So there you go, everybody. That is our new all-purpose cleaner, the bridge between exterior and interior cleaning. You can clean your whole house with it. You can clean whatever you want with it. Bifrost. Go check it out, thehouseofrags.com, and the detail code line.